If you're new to Salesforce or just looking for a clear refresher, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a new account in Salesforce, step by step, so you can start managing your customer data with confidence. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel and click on Sales. This takes you into the main hub where all your sales tools and records live. Next, head to the tabs at the top of the screen. Find the one labeled Accounts and click it. This section shows all of your existing accounts, and it's also the place where you'll create a new one. In the top right corner of the accounts list, you'll spot a new button. Go ahead and click that. This opens the account creation form. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with the account name. This field is required, so enter the exact name you want the account to be identified by. Right below that, you'll see account type. You can choose from options like prospect, customer, or any other types your organization has set up. Selecting the right type helps keep accounts organized and easy to track. You'll also notice optional fields like phone, website, industry, and more. You don't have to fill these in, but adding them gives you a stronger overview of the account and can make future communication smoother. Keep scrolling and you'll find sections for related details, such as billing address or account owner. If you already know that information, entering it now keeps everything connected from the start and saves you from going back later. Once you've added all the required information and any extras you want to include, look for the Save button. Click it to finalize the new account. Salesforce will instantly create it and take you to the account's profile page where you can start logging activity, adding contacts, or tracking opportunities right away. And just like that, you've created a brand new account in Salesforce. The more you do this, the faster it becomes part of your everyday workflow. If you found this helpful and want more Salesforce tips and full guides like this, make sure to stick around. There's plenty more on the way. Thanks for watching and happy Salesforce building.